How to turn off screen with shortcut in Linux. Since my monitor takes an awful lot of time to turn back on after being physically turned off, I'm looking for a command or a simple utility to turn off my screen with a shortcut. Setting a black screensaver is not satisfactory. I want the screen to hibernate, the same effect I would get by turning off the computer while leaving the screen physically on. The same question for Windows: how can I make my screen blank by a shortcut?
Try using to force the screen to turn off.
I made a file called and made it executable command+x blank with the following in it. Then I set a shortcut in GNOME 3 application keyboard, GNOME Control Center keyboard, to run that script when I push Ctrl+Alt+Q. Man, I love Linux.
I use Alex Cabal script to turn my two monitors screens off and on, and it works very fine for me.
You can go to your distro settings and add a shortcut putting the command set dpms force off, then put a hotkey, say F9. That's it. Whenever you hit the hotkey, your monitor's screen will turn off.
As a premise, I personally prefer Hamstar/Shivacharan solution. Anyway, I know another possible way could be a script that sets screensaver to blank and then make it start. So as just not to let unspoken things.